Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogtober day 30. We were in Fairfax, Virginia, and we were trying Korean corn dogs for the first time, and they were delicious. Now, this little restaurant is inside of the H Mart. We went to Burlington and picked the kids up some coats for the winter time, since we do plan on going to Chicago for Christmas. So stay tuned for Vlogmas, you guys. I plan to try to do that. That's what I plan to do. Now, this coat was for Ann. It was a Tommy Hilfiger coat, and it was $39.99. I picked up LJ this Michael Kors coat, and it was $44.99. And we picked up Rael this Canada coat. I don't remember the name. I have everything linked down in the description below. But her coat, I believe, was $39.99 as well. Vlogtober day 31. It is complete. We are done. But we didn't do too much. The kids went trunk or treat to the little trunk or treat our leasing office had. That's all we did, you guys. As you can see, LJ changed his costume. He decided to be Boss Baby and a dinosaur, okay? But thank you guys for watching this video. I love you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.